Ever tried taking notes on your iPad and ended up with a bunch of squiggles instead of legible notes? Yeah, me too, but don't worry, I've got two apps that will help you go from chaos to control. Stick around as we dive into Notability versus CollaNote and find out which one really deserves that spot on your home screen. So first off, Notability. If you're looking for an app that lets you jot down your thoughts with smooth handwriting, plus add audio recordings, Notability is the way to go. Perfect for students or anyone who loves handwritten notes with a bit of tech magic. But there's a catch, it's got a pretty simple structure. If you're after a fully customizable note-taking experience, well, you might feel a bit boxed in. Now call a note. This one's a game changer. It's a bit like a Swiss Army knife for notes. You can handwrite, sketch, add stickers, and even use templates to create gorgeous notes that actually look good. Oh, and did I mention it's AI powered? Yeah, this app gives you smart suggestions to help you stay organized. It's designed for people who need more flexibility, especially those balancing school and creativity. So Notability's big win is its super smooth handwriting and audio syncing. It's just great for note-taking during lectures, but if you're into more than just notes, like creating projects with databases and boards, CollaNote's your best bet. Its AI tools and templates make it feel like you're designing your own personal productivity system. To sum it up, Notability is great if you want a quick, handwritten notes with some added audio, but it's a bit limited for advanced features. CollaNote, on the other hand, is packed with customization, AI, and creative tools, though it's more complex to get into. So if you're all about simplicity, Notability is your go-to, but if you want more freedom, creativity, and smart tech in your notes, CollaNote wins. Hands down. That's it for this comparison. Like, subscribe, and let me know which app you'd choose in the comments below. See you in the next one.